Hi, my name is Kim Yarson and I'm the creator of ABC's Singing the Sounds courses. This is an all-in-one phonics curriculum with music and song as the main learning tool. Teachers, homeschoolers, speech pathologists or therapists, as well as tutors can all use my program for children who are learning their sounds ages 3 to 9. You can go right now onto my website, lms.misskimschildrensmusic.com, and sign up for the free course today. Because we all know music makes a huge difference in learning and is always positive for kids in development of their memory as well as many other things. So check it out today and have a musical day. Bye.
There are words you'll need to know by sight. Words that you will learn to read and write. Sight words rock. Sight words rock. Sight words rock. Let's learn some now. Over, new, only, sound, little, work, back, around. Sight words rock. Yeah, sight words rock. Let's practice that again. Over, new, only, sound, little, work, back, around. Sight words rock.